How you doing? My name is Greg Rutledge. I'm the founder of Atlanta Barber Institute and also Atlanta Barber Institute Foundation. We're a post-secondary school with its own chapter in Skills USA. Skills USA is the #1 work development entity in the United States in post-secondary and high school. We just finished up with a partnership with Myavana, which our school is partnered with Myavana. Hair care. Students got a chance to do hair analysis, and they will be actually certified as Myavana pros, and they'll be able to offer the service in the field additional to their barber training. Our mission here is that we offer high quality education with professional development, and that's very important for today's individual, because work skill, work ethic, it's a lot that goes into the fold that is missing right now, but we try to get students in a good position, and what we do is try to partner with the right companies. And Myavana, we appreciate you so very much.
I thought the Myavana experience was great. As a master barber for over 15 years, I feel like it's very important to have, because the world is so cultivated by different things, and it allows us to open up in many ways as a culture. And also it's created by women. I love that. I love the fact that we are able to experience something different that has actually never been created. So to be able to experience this is great. Okay, what also makes me excited is the whole technology and what's going on in the world, to where we're able to analyze and be able to see what's actually going on deep up under skin and scalp. So a lot of times people just see the top layer of our hair and think that that's all there's to it, but there's a lot more to hair than just what we see with the naked eye. So it makes me excited even more to be able to be a part of this and be able to experience it.
All right, so I enjoyed the Myavana experience. With me being a crossover student, I feel like it's very important that they came in and they were hands-on with the experience. I felt like I learned a lot, so yeah. With me being a crossover student from Paul Mitchell coming into the barbering industry, I feel like it will change everything about the experience. It will change the confidence between the stylist and the client. And I'm very excited. I feel like this is an innovative experience. So, yeah.
Yo, first off, shout out Black Excellence, you know what I'm saying? Coming in live in demand, it's your boy Jay Down the Boast, man. We got able to see history in the making, you know what I'm saying? To be able to sit back and just see that we about to change the game with being able to just check out hair and seeing things that people gonna need to be brought in their life and they need to change. We strong together. It starts with you heard me? Let's go, Myavana.
Myavana and Atlanta Barber Institute. Woo!